Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you've come across the challenge of converting PDF to Word, merging files, splitting and resizing files. It can be so frustrating when you are confronted with this issue and don't know how to resolve it. In this video, I'll teach you how to use one application that will help you do all these. To start, we visit ilovepdf.com. When you visit ilovepdf.com, we have a place where you can merge files, you can split files, compress PDF, convert PDF, and then all the tools that you need. You can log in or decide to sign up. For me, I would prefer not to do it because most of it is free without signing in. What I'll start with is merge PDF. So I'll select this one and then I'll go to where my files are. So I've selected one PDF. I'm adding another one. I'm adding the same file. Yes. And then let's add another one. Yes. So now we have 3 PDF files that we want to merge. So after you are done, you just click on merge PDF. After that, download it. Okay, so my file is being downloaded. Let's see what it downloads for us. Okay, so this is it. So I think all the files have been merged. 3 files have been merged. Is to split these files that I've already merged. So I'll go to split and then I'll click on PDF file and then let's go to the downloads. Select the one we merged, click on extract pages. It splits out all the pages. Each and every file contains 2 pages. So that is it, and that split everything for us. So after that, we click on split PDF and then we download it. Okay, it downloads into a zip file. So what we do is that we try to unzip. Okay, so now we have the unzip file. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that is it. It has unzipped it for us. So the next one is to compress PDF files. So we want to compress our PDF files. In this case, we have 292 kilobytes. Let's say what you want to upload, where you want to upload it, they say about 100 kilobytes. I would drag it and drop, and then I would say less compression. We have recommended compression and then extreme compression. So this one will give you less quality, but the size will be reduced drastically. This is a recommended one to give you good quality and then good compression, and then high quality but less compression. So let's use the recommended one and see what it produces for us. So as you can see, it has changed it from 292.08 kilobytes to 98 kilobytes. So I'll just download it and then I'll upload it where I want to upload. So when you come here, you see the same size that it downloaded. Yes. So the next one is to convert a picture to PDF. So you click on it and then you come here. Let's say you want to convert this to PDF. You put on it and then we can choose to say landscape or portrait, and then A4 sheet, and then like you can do your own settings. And after that, we say compress. It will compress this one to a PDF file. You can convert PDF to Word, you can convert Word to PDF, you can convert PowerPoint. All of these you can do it. So when you come to all of the tools, you see everything here. You can also protect your PDF, you can unlock it, you can protect it, you can use password for your PDF. So that is it. I hope this helps you, and see you in our next one.